How to create your program and text editor. Start your program with text editor. You can easily create a Python program with text editor and save your work on computer and compile it in the terminal. Let's see how. So now, open brackets the text editor that we installed it into our computers. Then make sure you are using Python in the text editor. Then type your first Python code, print hello world, that we've used in our previous lecture. Don't forget the quotation marks. And then save your file on your computer. It's better to save it in your desktop. Then name the file as hello and make sure the format of the file is like what it shows in the screen. PY means Python, and then click save.